Down here in the Riverwalk and here in New Orleans. See a whole, you see the bridge right here. It's New Orleans. There's the Mississippi River. It's the Mississippi River, right, Charmaine? This the Mississippi River, they call it. They go straight into the Gulf.
What's the fish?
Somewhere in there, but
Deep? Okay, bad.
deep. And then the Ottoman Aquarium is right here. This beautiful place right here. This is
Come here, Charmaine.
say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. All right, so here, this is what I need you to say. I need you to say thank you, Bayou Land Seven Families, and the Gator Program for granting advances to our